Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet. In here we do everything beauty, skincare, makeup, hair, hauls, little fashion, reviews, unboxing, you name it. If this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join the family, join us. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And I like to say thank you so much for my return supporters. I love you guys. Thank you for coming back and support me. I appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video we're going to be unboxing our November Boxycharm Premium. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty box subscription, and they have different boxes for different prices that you get a bunch of skincare, makeup, and tools, you know, a lot of different goodies in the mail every month. And I also like to mention that Boxycharm is having a huge sale coming up. So this sale is going to be, I think, available for all the charmers and all the non-charmers too. So let's dig into this box. And I did use the products that I got here for creating this beautiful two-tone look. Right, so let's dig into this box so this video don't get so long. And as I be showing you guys the product one by one, I'm gonna put a little video here on one of my sides so you guys can see how the product perform. All right, so let's dig into this box because I'm super excited. November Boxycharm theme is invite only, and that's the little card that comes in. So I have all the product here from in an order, but I'm not gonna go on that order. I'm actually gonna go in as we use the product. The first one we use, that's how I'm gonna go. All right, and the first product that we're going to be trying on this month box is going to be the Nude Skin Nude Sticks. I think that's the name, and that's the Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel. And this is so amazing. My skin was so glowing, so beautiful after I used this. The Lemonade Detox Glow Micro Peel is a skin clarifying at-home chemical peel that detoxifies the pores of excess oils, dirt, and pollution, while visible rejuvenate the skin tone and texture, powered by enzymes peeling action of papain, along with the new properties of apple and pomegranate extract. This skin superhero is also formulated with vitamin C and lemon peel oil to brighten the skin for a radiant, youthful glow. The skin actually looks amazing after you use this peel, and it's super easy to use. You know, you actually apply to your skin and massage the skin for like 3 to 4 minutes, and you can actually, and after leave on for 2 minutes, you just rinse off with warm water. And this one you can actually use 3 to 4 times a week. And this beauty here retails for $34. It's actually a good price. It's not expensive at all for at-home peel. Let's leave your skin looking and feeling fabulous. So let's go to our next product. And the next product that we're going to be trying is going to be the Better Skin & Co. Eye Brightening Now. This is like an eye brightening oil. Wake up and fight dark circle puffiness with the Eye Brightening Now serum. A single drop provides immediately hydration and helps with the appearance of puffiness, dark circles. Eye Bright Now assists in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkle. Wow. And this beauty here retails for $38, and this is brand new in the box to box it, so I'm excited for this. It looks really good, so I'm excited. So our next product that we're going to be trying here is going to be the Galactic, I think that is, Rose Oil Petal Gloss. This is so pretty, and that's what it is. And they actually have like a real rose petal in it, and actually with the lips so moisturizing, so shiny. Fall in love with this long wearing lip gloss that is infused with natural dry rose petals and a blend of argan oil, raspberry seed oil, vitamin E, and jojoba oil. This gloss isn't sticky and is perfect on the go formula for classy finish. This formula is enriched with moisture boosting protective ingredients to nourish and repair your lips, and this beauty here retails for $20. Super pretty. This I have to give it to them, and it feels really good in the skin. And the next product we're going to be trying here is going to be this Riddle oil, original roll-on oil. It's the box here, and I have the product here out of the box. Made with simple ingredient of amber and musk, the original roll-on oil smells clean and suitable. This oil natural creates a signature scent that is unique to you. Original scent is excellent for people who don't generally like fragrance or suffer from fragrance related headaches. Rest assured, when you roll on your original fragrance, it's hypoallergenic, not toxic, vegan and cruelty free, and this beauty here retails for $50. Okay, no, I just mean that because it's so tiny, but with oil perfume you just use one tiny bit in the places that you want, so this is gonna last you a really long time. It smells so good, so amazing. So the next product we're going to be trying here is going to be this Rhodile blush drop. Oh, this is so beautiful. I'm wearing today. I give you that beautiful blush but with a sheen to it, and this is what it looks like out of the box. Enhance the skin luminosity by adding a healthy flush of color to the complexion. The concentrated drop provide a buildable illuminating pop of color to the cheeks, and this also retails for $50, but they look so beautiful on the skin and it's super easy to apply. I apply mine with a blush brush, but I think you also can apply this with a beauty blender or with your fingertips if you want. It's really pretty. Last but not least, it's going to be the Persona Cosmetics Identity 2 eyeshadow palette. I have the palette here out of the box. The palette is super pretty, so I'm gonna open just so you guys can see really quick as I talk about the palette. Okay, so here's the palette. It's super beautiful. Ready for a bolder persona. The Identity 2 palette provides the same buttery buildable formula as the original Identity palette, with more stunning, shimmery and epic color payoff, waterproof, whatever persona you want to create. The Identity 2 is versatile enough for everyday look, date night drama, and everything in between. And this beauty here retails for $42. The palette is super beautiful. The eyeshadow shades are so pretty and so pigmented. So today I used the yellow and the green one here, these two, and some of the nude shade for create this look guys. Very beautiful, very beautiful. And this was all for November Boxycharm Premium. If you guys want to know more, I'm gonna have the link down below for them. All right, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.